for us, and he's almost finished.
What's wrong, Orbit?
The flower. Oh dear, your flower looks sick. There must be a way I can make it better.
I'm sure there is, but how?
Oh, we need to go somewhere to make Orbit's flower better so he can finish his painting.
That sounds like we've got a mission. And you know what that means? It's time for us to pick a planet.
Pick a planet! Pick a planet! Pick a planet! Pick a planet! Pick a planet!
Hi, everyone. How can I help you today?
Orbit was painting a flower for us,
Oh, that's very kind of you, Orbit.
but his flower is sick, and we need to find a place that will help us make it better.
Round and round the planets go. Which one stops, nobody knows.
Ooh, corn poppy planet.
Yum, buttery.
Smells nice, but I don't think we'll find any flowers there. We'll go to Toolbox Planet some other time, TK. Right now, we need flowers, and I don't think we'll get them there. Now that looks like somewhere we can get help for Orbit's sick flower.
Yes, the flower bed planet. Excellent choice. Get ready for countdown.
Hurry, everyone! Get to your stations and buckle your seatbelts!
Next stop, flower bed planet.
Not much of a flower bed planet. I can't see any flowers anywhere. There must be some around somewhere.
My flower.
It's okay. Oh, sorry about that. Hi, I'm the gardener.
Hi, I'm Rob. These are my friends Emma, TK, and Orbit.
Nice to meet you.
Why did those bees attack us?
I'm afraid that's my fault. You see, those are honeybees, and they need flowers. There used to be flowers here. Flowers make nectar. Nectar is a kind of sweet liquid flowers make for bees. They collect it and use it to make honey. So the bees need every flower they can find.
Like my flower.
They weren't chasing us. They wanted your flower.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, wow. That's a lot of bees.
Oh, the poor things. happened to all the flowers?
A while ago, my water sprinkler broke. Without water, the flowers wouldn't grow, so they all vanished.
Oh, I can help you fix it. I'm sure I've got just the thing to fix it. Hairbrush? Nope. Ooh, I love keys, but that's not going to help. Aha! That's what I was looking for. Some oil from this oil can will get that device moving.
Oh, that feels great. That's been stuck for so long.
What's he doing?
Watering the plants. Once these are watered, and I make sure they get plenty of sunlight, they'll grow into a field of healthy, bright, beautiful flowers.
Yay! And then the bees will have nectar to make their honey.
Now, there's no need to go frightening everyone like that. Soon this will be a garden full of flowers just for you.
These will become flowers? What do they need?
Good ground, sunlight, and plenty of fresh water. And now we wait for the flowers to grow. Isn't this great?
Isn't it taking a long time?
Yeah, I mean, I don't see anything happening.
Oh, no. We won't see anything happen for days, maybe even weeks. Well, as the keeper of Flower Bed Planet, I can help that along, but I normally like to wait for it to happen naturally.
If there's a way you can make the flowers grow faster, I think it would be great.
And the bees do look hungry.
That's amazing!
It's wonderful!
Woohoo!
I wish I had my flower back. If I just watered it and gave it lots of sunlight, maybe it would get better.
Where are they off to so quickly?
I think I know.
My flower! It's working! Thank you!
That's great! Now you can finish your painting.
All right!
That's wonderful.
Great new painting. And you put all the important things in that help flowers grow. The gardener who plants the seeds, water, sunshine, and the bees. I'd say that's mission accomplished.
Wait, don't go yet. We wanted to give you this.
Wow! Thanks!
Mission control?
Yes, Rob, you're back. So, what did you learn on your mission?
Well, Orbit wanted to paint a picture of a flower, but the one he had was droopy and losing its color. So we went to Flower Bed Planet. But when we landed, we couldn't find any flowers, just some angry bees who chased us away. We soon met the gardener, who was broken and couldn't water his plants, so TK helped fix him. He showed us plants and flowers need water and sunlight to grow big, bright, and strong. We also learned that bees do something really special. They take nectar from the flowers and make honey. And Orbit finally finished his painting and even got a pot of honey from the bees.
Well done. I think it's time to go home. Better buckle up. 5,